Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Welcome to this week's vlog. I took last week off just to have myself a little bit of a refresh, and I'm feeling good. So we're back today. It is Monday. I feel like today has already been such a productive day. I went to F45, I picked up a prescription, and I'm about to head to meet Mari. We're going to go to Oxbow, grab a bagel, a coffee, and walk the Arboretum. So it's a very productive, very nice morning, and it also feels so fall today. I can't believe that it's already September and almost fall, and I'm loving it. The weather is amazing, so it's gonna be a good day. I also need to do some chores, clean the house, all the good stuff. And then later this week, we are actually headed to Boise, Idaho. One of my best college friends is getting married, and we're gonna go celebrate her. So it's gonna be a good, jam-packed, fun week. I will take you all along with me, but I just wanted to say hello, welcome you to this week's vlog. Happy Monday, happy September. We are gonna have a good week. I just came back from our walk. It was so nice and so peaceful today. My sister is very much still in her juice era, so I'm having some carrot juice. And I think after this, I'm going to clean the house, start my chores, and then we're gonna wash up and get ready for this evening. I really want malatang, so I think we're gonna meet some friends, go get some of that, satisfy that craving, and just gonna be a nice peaceful rest of the day. We are about to head to dinner. This is my outfit of the night. I'm just wearing this Ghani cat tee. I have on my little brown Marge Sherwood bag. I just shortened the strap to make it more of a shoulder bag situation. I'm gonna wear my Adidas Superstar sneakers, and then for bottoms, I just have on my polka dot Lonely cargo pants. We're keeping it very casual and chill, but we are gonna go eat some malatang. Just got home from being out and about, and I stopped at Glossier, and I wanted to show you what I picked up. Today is an exciting day because they just came out with their new powder blushes, and this is something that I've been waiting for so long, and I picked up 2 of them. So I ended up picking out Storm, and I got Float as well. So let me show you what they look like. But they were doing a promo where if you bought like a Ultra Lip, which is one of my favorite lippy products, with a blush, you were saving $10. So I just picked up one of my favorites, especially for fall. This is the shade Pony, and it's just this really pretty neutral kind of like rosy brown color, and it's a really good just like everyday lip, which I always reach for. But I guess they also gave me a sample of their Sandstone body spritz, which I didn't even know they have, and some cute little stickers as always. But for the blushes, let me show you. I'm obsessed with the packaging. They look like little gemstones to me that you can collect, which I think is so fun. But again, obsessed with the packaging, and I'll show you what they both look like. Okay, so this is Storm, which is what I was most excited about. And let me show you. It just looks like this. What do you think? And then this one is Float, which is a little bit more berry colored and cool toned. But let me show you what they look like. This is Storm. So gorgeous, and they feel just like so soft and light, which I'm obsessed with. And then this is Float. So I can't wait to do my makeup later with one of these, or maybe I'll layer them. The woman in the store said that they actually layer really nicely, so it might be fun to kind of play around with that. For lunch today, I have some leftover curry, and I also have some chips and salsa for a little crunch. So I'm gonna eat my lunch, and then I need to do my Mandarin homework this afternoon, and I want to kind of take a shower, freshen up, rest a little, and then I'm meeting Genevieve for dinner tonight. I am heading out to dinner. I'm so excited because it's finally chilly enough for me to wear my favorite long sleeve hoodie from Glossier. But I'm going to meet Jen. We're going to get Din Tai Fung for dinner, and I am so excited for some string beans and honestly maybe some chocolate shallow too. It feels like that kind of day. But I have on my favorite long sleeve from Glossier. I'm wearing the same little Mark Sherwood bag as yesterday. I've never worn it with the strap shortened like this until now, and I'm honestly a huge fan. It feels like a whole new bag. But for my bottoms, I just have on my favorite little skinny Aritzia belt. These are my Uniqlo JW Anderson jeans, and I'm just wearing my Adidas Superstar sneakers. They have been on repeat lately. I also am wearing both the blushes that I showed you earlier, the Glossier ones, and I'm obsessed. I love the tones. I love how they layer together, and I will say they're very pigmented, which I feel like a lot of the times with Glossier, I'm worried that things aren't going to be pigmented enough because they really go for that natural look and vibe, but I'm very pleased and I'm obsessed. And I'm also wearing their Ultra Lip in the shade Pony on my lips. So this is the look of the night. Gonna go eat some Din Tai Fung, and I'll see you all at Uvalid. Happy Wednesday. I am just eating some breakfast. This morning I'm keeping it pretty simple. I just have a breakfast sausage, and I'm gonna have some cottage cheese as well. But I'm about to go on a walk. I want to go to Volunteer Park today. It looks really nice and sunny and crisp. So I'm gonna walk there to get my day started, and then for the rest of the day I need to start packing because we leave tomorrow morning for Boise. But tonight we actually have Chinese class. We're gonna have dinner, and we're gonna watch the sunrise turn pretty. So it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a chill day, and I'm looking forward to it. Just came home from my walk. I washed up. It was honestly so refreshing. I had a good journal sesh, and now we're back home. Before I get to packing, I want to make myself some lunch, and I'm also going to make my current hyperfixation bevy, which is just my matcha latte but with coconut water. It's just been so refreshing, and I've been craving it so much these days. Right now I'm using the Rockies matcha, the ceremonial Suriname blend. It's pretty good. I would recommend this, and I'm honestly thinking about repurchasing it. For lunch today, I have some watermelon spears, and I'm just keeping it simple with some salmon toast, and of course I have my matcha latte. currently working on my packing. Luckily, we have this little itinerary, so I feel like I know exactly what I need to pack, and I feel like this is gonna go a lot quicker than I expected to, which I'm really pleased about. So I'm gonna finish this up and we'll get on with the rest of our day. We are headed to Boise this morning.
In here so that we can tag it earlier and we can have our smooth boarding process later. Thank you. For Carl Garcia, last and final boarding call, your gate C16, podium B.
Hello everyone, happy Sunday. We made it back to Seattle this afternoon and I just wanted to check in, and I'm gonna end the vlog here, but we had such a lovely weekend in Boise celebrating Tressa and Abigail. It also feels really lovely to be home. I'm all washed up and I'm already in my jammies for the evening and the rest of the day, but the plan is to first off eat this dragon fruit. I also want to finish my book. This is Outline by Rachel Cusk. This was my last book on my unofficial reading list, so hopefully we can finish that today. I also made myself some tea and I'm gonna start editing this coming week's vlog. So I'm excited. I have a fun week ahead next week, so I will definitely be seeing you then. But until next week's vlog, I'll see you all later.